Good morning, students. We are going to continue the topic, that is discount. If goods are purchased and sold at trade discount, and if these are returned at the rate same trade discount, these be returned. For example, purchased goods from Mohan 10,000, 15% trade discount. No entry will be made of trade discount, that is 10,000 minus 1500, 8500 is your purchases. Purchases account debit to Mohan 8500. Settled the account of Mohan by paying a discount of 4%. Mohan debit to cash account. Discount is the tail of cash. If cash is credit, discount be also credit. 8500 into 4%, 8500 into 4 upon 100, that is 340. If the word full settlement, settled the account, clear the account is mentioned, then you have to do the entry of discount. 8500 minus 340, 8160 is credit. Discount received 340, total 8500. Bought goods from for cash 50,000, 20% trade discount and 5% cash discount. 40,000 into 5 upon 100, that is 2,000. 40,000 minus 2,000, 38,000. Purchases account debit to cash account, to discount received. No entry will be passed of trade discount. Total paid 38,000, 2,000 discount received, and 40,000 is total amount. Next point is sold goods of the list price 20,000, trade discount 10%, 18,000, 3% cash discount, that is 540. 18,000 minus 540, 17,460. Cash account debit. Discount is the tail of cash. Discount allowed debit. If discount is debit, then it will be allowed. If discount is credit, it will be received. To sales account 17,460, 540 and 18,000. Discount is always calculated on cash payment, not on total amount. This is the main point that will be always considered for calculating discount. Means discount is always calculated on cash price, not on total amount. For example, sold goods to Harsh 50,000, 20% trade discount, that is 40,000. Cash discount 5%, but 40% paid immediately. Therefore, cash discount will not be calculated on 40,000. First of all, you have to calculate 40% of 40,000, that is 16,000. Cash discount 5%, 800. 16,000 minus 800 is equal to 15,200. If amount received by check, bank account debit, discount allowed debit, Harsh debit to sales. 15,200 received, 800 discount, 40,000 into 60% is your credit sale, 24,000. Total amount is 40,000. That is 40,000 total amount. Cash 15,200, discount 800, and credit 24,000. This is your entry. Now, cash received from Ram on behalf of Sham. Cash account debit to Sham, because on behalf of Sham. We have received money from Ram, but on behalf of that person. Therefore, if the amount will be deducted or the account will be minus, then it will be from Sham's account. So, cash account debit to Sham's account, that is 5,000. Thank you, students.